Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Recently, I have ordered grooved color pencils from Amazon. I was very eager to show them to you. These pencils are from DOMS company. These are made in India. We have a beautiful box with name DOMS Groove 24 color pencils. And they also mention innovative groove for better grip. On each pencil, you find a groove on it. We have 24 different superb color pencils. At the back of the box, you see a beautiful art done with these color pencils. And as usually, we also get a free sharpener inside the box. They also mention some product information. We also have a warning not to be used by children below 3 years of age. Let's quickly unpack the box. Wow, these are really amazing. We have 24 different colors. All the pencils are grooved on the surface. We also have, as usually, a black color sharpener in the box. Almost all the DOMS 24 color pencil set will give a free sharpener with them. We have a thick pigment of colors in these color pencils, especially colors like peach, yellow, red will give excellent result on paper. All the color pencils have thick pigment in them. Let's examine a single pencil in detail. The pencil looks slender, beautiful with DOMS brand name on it. Each pencil have 8 grooves on the surface. These grooves help the pencil to give a good grip while drawing. From the back, you will get a sharpened pencil, but when you sharpen by DOMS sharpener, you will get an excellent result. Let's sharpen the pencil with the given sharpener. You will get a very pinpointed lead when you sharpen with the DOMS sharpener. And these pencils are triangular in shape. These also helps to give you a good grip while drawing. Let's see the blending nature, shading and coloring of these pencils and have a sample drawing on a normal A4 sheet. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more art related videos. Thank you.